We are going to create 2.5 work opportunities. 2.5 million work opportunities.
A few moments later.
Maqabane, imisebenzi ayikho. I-COVID yadiliza imisebenzi.
Inkinga enkulu esibhekene nayo la eSouth Africa ukungasebenzi kwabantu, unemployment rate iphezulu kakhulu. Babalelwa ku-12 million abantu abangasebenzi. Sibi ngempela isimo uma kunje. Njengoba kuza ama-local government elections ngoNovember, ziningi izethembiso osopolitiki abazosethembisa zona. Kodwa kubuhlungu kunakho konke bazobe bedlala ngempilo zabantu. Ngoba bayazi nabo ukuthi leyo nto leyo into zona lezethembiso azobe ezethembisa into engeke iziyenzeke. Umzekelo ile video esiqale ngayo. Uzwile imisebenzi ethenjisiwe. Kodwa manje ekugcineni kosuku sethi imisebenzi ehamba neCovid. Yingoba kwasekuqaleni yayingekho vele kwayona lo msebenzi. Nathi ke into efika ibe buhlungu kunazo zonke kulolu daba esikhuluma ngalo oluthinta unemployment rate la eNingizimu Afrika. Njengoba ke istatistician general besikhuluma wasitshela ama-figures nokuthi abantu abangasebenzi unemployment rate ikhuphukile la eSouth Africa. Ama-content creators amaningi kakhulukazi lawa azonda uJacinta neMarch and March athola ithuba lokuthi awamhlasele. Uze ukuthi inyuka kanjani unemployment rate ngoba phela abantu abakhona la eSouth Africa ngokho semthethweni baxoshiwe, noma ama-march lawa abhekene nempi elwa nabantu abangekho semthethweni la kufanele ngabe avula amathuba emisebenzi.
ENCA has just released this and said that South Africa's unemployment rate has increased from 32.7 in the first quarter of 2026 to 33.6%. How? Jacinta yena, they said they've created jobs. They've created many jobs. There are many people that are employed. Babi.
Why, yes. One more time. Siswami, let me answer your question. Because your question is very straight. Ukuthi unemployment rate has increased. Iphi imisebenzi le uJacinta neMarch and March abakhuluma ngayo? Let me answer your question. Nayi imisebenzi. You have not read the whole report. You just took the headline and became lazy to read. You just took the headline. Wayowenza ngayo i-content. But when you go through the report states very clearly that even though jobs have been lost in South Africa, but there are sectors where an increase in employment has been reported. Those sectors are trade, wholesale and retail, construction, and the financial sector has registered an increase in employment. You never saw that in the report because you are lazy to read and very quick to make content with news headlines. Why, yes? One more time. These sectors that has seen an increase in employment are sectors which exactly uJacinta and March and March were targeting. The trade, the wholesale, the retail, the factories, the construction, where illegal migrants have been chased away and South Africans have occupied those jobs. Why, yes? One more time. So don't come here and just be lazy to read and criticize. Why yes? One more time.
Ufe ngaqaphela emveni kokuba i-statistician general sisinikela ama-statistics wasitshela ukuthi kwi-second quarter yalonyaka siyazi ukuthi unyaka ngithi uhlukene kawu-4 kune-first quarter ku-January to March, be-second quarter April to June, bese kuba yi-third quarter, kube yi-fourth quarter. Kodwa nje kwi-second quarter kushuthi kusuka ngo-April, May, June ila njengoba ekhuluma nje ukuthi unemployment rate eSouth Africa inyukile. Noma ubhuti lesivezela ukuthi akuwona wonke ama-industry ngoba according to wona ama-statistics, even though unemployment rate ikhuphukile kodwa akhona ama-sector lawa aphinde akwazi ukuthi kube khona abantu abaqashekayo. Kodwa ngifike ngakuqaphela kuyo yonke lento le ukuthi abantu makufuneka bathathe i-blame, bablame abantu okufanele babablame ngodaba lokungabibikho kwemisebenzi eSouth Africa, bayibhekise leyo blame kuJacinta. uJacinta akekho kwi-government mos. Abantu kuyibona bona funeka bakhanda imisebenzi through ama-policies i-government. Lezi thembiso ebebesithembisa zona kwi-State of the Nation address ukuthi kuzokwenziwa njani ukuze kukhandeke imisebenzi asikhulumi ngazo, and labo bantu they are off the hook ngoba akukhulunywa ngabo. They are not held accountable ukuthi no bafethu nina nisey'khundleni fana ngabe nithatha iy'nqumo ezizokwenza ukuthi eSouth Africa kube khona amathuba emisebenzi. Kanti apha ama-labor inspectors ayi-10,000 azoqashwa upresident, usho ukuthi wena ngaba wehlisanga isibalo awu 20,000 ngenza iphutha mangathi 10,000 wathi 10,000 lo nyaka 10,000 lo nyaka ozayo. Aphi ziphi iy'nhlelo upresident abathi beza nazo ukuze kulwe nendaba ye-unemployment eSouth Africa? Nabo abantu efana ngabe sikhuluma nabo, kodwa ngenxa ukuthi kuzondwa uMangobese kunele nje kwaphuma lama statistics inzondo yabantu seyibheke kulo vela abamzondayo bebefisa ukuthi sengathi bangathola into abangakhuluma ngayo ezokwazi ukuthi ibheke kuJacinta. Nansi into ebebeyifisa kunayo yonke, ngoba noma ngathiwa lamamashi awekho unemployment rate bezonyuka kuyefana. Engekho kamamashi unemployment rate bizonyuka. Phela tshela mina kwenziwa yini ukuthi ngonyaka ophelile engakaqala amamashi nangalo wanyaka engakaqala amamashi unemployment rate ayikaze yehle? Uma ngabe uzothi ke ikhuphuke ngenxa kaJacinta ke noma ngenxa lamamashi enziwa ngoJacinta, kwenziwe yini ukuthi kule minyaka edlule, le minyaka emibili nje edlule, kwenziwe yini ukuthi ingehli unemployment rate? Ngoba unemployment rate lokhu iyakhuphuka kunokuthi yehle. Yingakho ke ngithi abantu bathola ithuba elihle lokuba bamhlasele uJacinta ngoba kudala befisa kodwa bengenayo into abangakhuluma ngayo.
Creating jobs is the most and foremost priority of our government. Our single greatest challenge is to translate positive economic momentum into jobs for the millions of South Africans who today remain unemployed. Now, a job is more than just an income. It is about dignity, it is about confidence, it is about a sense of belonging and an ability to contribute to our community and our society. The rate of unemployment in our country is unique. It has its roots, as I said, in our past, which was built only for a small part of the people of South Africa. And so therefore, it is the result of our inability to fully reverse that legacy of exclusion. And we must therefore do everything we can to reverse that legacy and to create jobs, because we can no longer continue just using it as an excuse. We need to understand where that comes from, but then redouble our efforts to ensure that we eradicate that legacy. Many young people face the prospect of leaving school without a foothold in the economy, unable to lift themselves and more particularly their own families out of poverty. And many young people have to pay, even before they start work, they have to pay the black tax. Black tax meaning they have to look after their families because they themselves are a product of having been looked after by their families, by grandmothers and great-grandmothers. That is why we have placed jobs at the heart of our agenda to give every young person in our country a chance for a better life. And to do this, we need more rapid and inclusive economic growth. We know that growth creates jobs, and economists have told us that each percentage of growth in our economy or in our GDP creates X number of jobs. When our economy has grown in the past, unemployment has reduced. That is why we are focused on implementing economic reforms and creating an environment for business to invest.
Imbuzo yethu ayiqondile kupresident. Ukuthi no president was addressa wena nangu June 16. Waphindwa wakhuluma ngale unemployment rate especially kwi youth. Yiphi imizamo oyenzayo kunalokho kuhlasela uJacinta? Unoma kuthiwa ke unawo amandla okukhanda imisebenzi angaqasha abantu abangaki. Ya inzondo yethu isiyenze sangakwazi ukurizina kahle. Angisho ukuthi asingamblame uJacinta, kufanele mangabe isidingo sikhona. Kodwa ke uJacinta ulwa nodaba labantu abala eSouth Africa ngokungekho semthethweni. Sibabonile abanye bekhishwa emakhampanini. Baqashwa labo bantu. Kodwa uqashwa kwabantu abawu50 out of 12 million wabantu ekuthiwa ba unemployed. Kuzokwenza muphi umehluko? Kuzoshintsha maphi ama statistics? Ngoba inkinga esinayo ingakho ngithi mina uma ngabe inkinga idala uJacinta kungani eminyakeni ewu2 yedluli unemployment rate ibe high? Ngoba lento unemployment rate akusinto eqala manje. Into eqale before uJacinta esungula iMarch and March. Oyesebenza radio ngaso sikhathi enganake nakunaka. So inzondo esinayo ngoJacinta yenza ukuthi simblame nala kungafanele khona. Ngiyengizwa abanye bathi kwakungcono ku-apartheid sasisebenza. Ngithe mangiscrolla ku TikTok ngazithela phe kwanansi video.
Life was so much better during apartheid. At least black people had jobs.
What the contract says is that Mrs. Silverman will employ you for 1 year, that you will work 10.5 hours per day, 7 days a week, for 100 rand a month, and that she will provide you with food and accommodation.
Joyce, I'll tell you what, I'll pay you 100 rand a month.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give you sugar, milk, millie meal, and some condensed milk.
Yes, ma'am.
But the toilet paper, 2 rolls a month.
Yes, ma'am.
And that's your food and ration for the month.
Yes, ma'am.
100 rand a month. 100 rand a month. That's how much money our parents and grandparents were making during apartheid. Now, how much money would that be if we adjusted for inflation? Because this was 100 rand back in 1986. Turns out that in today's money, our parents and grandparents were making 1,500 rand a month. And they were working 10 hours a day, 7 days a week, no days off. Can you work like that? No pension, no medical aid. 1,500 rand a month. Our minimum wage is what? 30 rand an hour. If we calculate how much our parents and grandparents were making during apartheid in today's money, so it's already adjusted for inflation, they were making 5 rand per hour. And you want to tell me life was so much better during apartheid because black people had jobs? How dare you? How dare you even begin to utter such words? Life was better during apartheid. How? For who? I don't ever want to hear another uneducated fool ever say that life was much better during apartheid.
Angizukusho lutho ngale nkulumo eqeda kushoya lo mfo. Angizukuphawula lutho. Ungasupporta ngokuba imember le channel. Ungasupporta futhi ukusidonatela noma ngamalini. Ikhona i-account kwi-comment ephiniwe. Bese mina nawe sidibana kwi-video elandelayo. Ngiyafisa kodwa ukuze ukuphawula kwakho la comment section. Ngezwe ukuthi wena kuthini ukuphawula kulolu daba nje sulixoxayo. Oluthinta i-unemployment rate, uJacinta, abo minister bethu. Kune 500 million ama-spaza shop. Iphi lo 500 million isifanda abangaki? Phela into lezi izinto ebezokwenza umehluko. Kodwa we don't hold those people accountable. Kunalokho silwa noJacinta. Bakhona bonke abantu sinendaba nabo. Ngoba umuntu esinenkinga naye uJacinta. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo.